Trade recap time. So, 4 hour going into market open. Bullish. We close with this high here. This low here, not close below. This low here, not close below. Cool. 7 ES, 4 hours bullish. Going into market open. In 4 hours bullish, we want to see hourly lows swept, then moves higher, so we can short to lows or wait for lows and then move higher, long up to hourly highs. And going into market open, we had hourly lows here, 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 and here. And on NQ, hourly lows here, 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 and here, and an hourly imbalance on NQ. Now, during pre-market, we had not swept out any form of hourly lows at all, which means off the bat we're looking for shorts. To fuel those shorts, we want to see a 5-minute liquidity sweep. We had 5-minute highs here. Market opened, NQ swept out these 5-minute highs, 926. NQ swept them out. ES at 926. We had the highs there. Not swept out. So there's our 1-minute SMT. Looking at NQ because it made the higher high. And it gave us nothing. We had the SMT, we had the 1-minute break of structure, then we had no third confluence, and we came down and started taking out hourly lows. So as soon as this low was swept, I got rid of all of this, got rid of all confluences to go short. We swept out those lows, no reaction, no reaction. Boom, ES. Get rid of those confluences. We're now looking for longs only because these hourly lows are swept out. Boom, boom, boom. And then these hourly lows are swept on ES and on NQ. These hourly lows are swept. We came into this hourly imbalance on NQ. And then at 9:50, NQ broke structure on the 1-minute. Boom. ES at 9:50 did not break structure. This should have been a sign that we wanted to go a little bit lower on ES because we still had not reached those lows yet. So the 1-minute did not break structure on ES. But on NQ, we had that 1-minute break of structure. Right there, we had this imbalance here. We came in, we filled it. We also filled equilibrium from the low to the high. Reaction out, enter in, boom. Take profit 1. Top of the imbalance. In the 5 minutes, we had 5-minute imbalances here. Take profit 2, bottom of that imbalance. Take profit 3, those 1-minute highs. And our stop loss was at the bottom of the hourly fair value gap. This was also a mistake. So your stop loss should be at a point where your trade idea is invalidated. And that would be here at those lows. This was a pretty silly stop loss because it's perfectly valid for the fair value gap to get filled completely, but your long is still valid. So this was a foolish stop loss, foolish mistake. And on ES, that we didn't break structure, and we came down and took out these hourly lows at 6 p.m. and NQ did not take out the lows at 6 p.m. So we should have also waited for an SMT because there was no SMT to go long yet when I entered the trade. The SMT eventually appeared. Those lows at 9:58 when ES. Oh. 9:58. There's the SMT. There's the SMT. So from today, what can we learn? Wait for an SMT of any degree. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, hour, 4 hour, whatever. Wait for an SMT before entering a trade. Because we jumped the gun a little bit. And also better stop loss because where is your idea? Invalidated there. But I see this day as a win because our system worked, number one. Number two, number one, our system worked because we had the 5-minute sweep, 1-minute SMT, just no third confluence to go short to hourly lows. Simple. And then we had an SMT and stuff. We had an SMT. The trade we should have took because of this SMT ES is a lagging index. Jump onto ES. Here's the SMT. Sorry. There's the break of structure. There's an inverse fair value gap on the same candle. Extra confirmation, imbalance. Do we hit equilibrium? No, not quite. Do we get it from all the way down here? No, not quite, but still, imbalance filled. Reaction out, rejection wick, or reaction out. Boom. Stop loss at the base of this candle, or the base of that candle. That candle caused this imbalance, or base of that candle, which caused this imbalance. Either will do. Probably there to be safe. Target the 5-minute imbalances, those hourly highs that were a target anyway. The system worked out. We were just a little bit too impatient. Secondly, of why today was a winning day. So our system worked out. Number 2, as soon as the hourly lows were swept out, we stopped looking for shorts, which was good. Because if we hadn't done that, we probably would have shorted off this 1-minute imbalance in this 5-minute imbalance with probably targets of there as our first target or whatever. So that's good day number 2. Number 1, system worked out. Number 2, as soon as the high time frame point of interest was hit, we stopped looking for shorts and started looking for longs, and we didn't chart out any confluences that were against our system. Number 3, after we lost our trade, we did not take another trade. And that is a really big win for me, because I always find myself taking like 2 trades a day, 3 trades a day. 1 trade a day is enough. And we took our loss, and even though price went in another direction and a setup came, we didn't take it. So I was looking at it, I was like, yeah, that doji candle was a setup from this imbalance here. Stop at the low, target the previous targets. Yeah, it would have won. Didn't take it. I am proud of myself for not taking it, because we are building those good habits. Because when the market doesn't give us opportunities, we need good habits in place to protect us and to protect our capital. So I see today as a winning day. System works, more proof of system working, more confidence in the system. 2, we were in the right mind space. And 3, we built good habits. And that's what's important. The money's not important. Building the habits is what is important. And that's what we did. So, yes, it's a heartbreaking day. It's a stab in the chest. We got stopped. Let me hit our take profits. In hindsight, this was a sensible stop loss, because that's where our idea gets invalidated, not the bottom of a fair value gap. Learn the lesson. So today is a winning day, in my eyes. And this was all journaled on Notion. Had our risk and our result, our psychological notes, our reason for entry, and our description of the trade. We stuck to our system. Bing bang bosh, epic day. Can't complain. The real trade we should have taken, if we waited for that SMT, was ES swept out these lows and NQ didn't. There's the SMT. 1-minute break, 1-minute inverse, 1-minute imbalance, reaction off of it. Stop there. Even if we reacted off of this doji, this close, we were right. That's the important thing. We stuck to our system, we built good habits, and overall, we were correct. And our targets for longs were right. Our bias heading into the day was right. Wanted hourly lows swept on these low resistance liquidity, swept and then hit hourly highs over here, and that was in these hourly highs, and that played out in our favor. So once again, you can see I'm happy with the day, and I will see you all in the next one.